Hi, ako si Resty Concepcion, Kia user since 2009. I bought a Kia Sportage way back 2009 for the main reason that it was a crossover from a car to an SUV. Compact siya, light pero para siyang sports utility vehicle that is good for family use, and at the same time durable siya dahil when I searched back then yung reviews sa Kia Sportage, yung 2009 model, actually hanggang 2010 na model nila, ang reviews ng Insurance Institute was it was tested sa mga crash test, kaya matibay talaga yung mga sidings niya compared to other Asian cars that time. Isa pang gusto ko sa Kia Sportage specifically is hanggang ngayon yung mga piyesa niya is still out in the market, hindi mahirap hanapin, and yung fuel efficiency din niya is quite efficient. And what else? I would say that compared to other Korean and Japanese cars or SUVs, yung Kia Sportage is one of the most sought after car models up to this age. The Kia in general, I've had 3 brands. Nagkaroon ako ng dalawang Pride, Kia Pride, and ito nga yung Sportage 2009. So overall, ang review ko sa Kia is hindi siya expensive, but it's worthy, and it's durable, it's also fuel efficient, and pagdating naman sa look niya, it's sleek. Medyo updated pa rin yung kanyang look until etong 2024, so that's almost 15 years already since I started using the Kia Sportage 2009. Thank you, Kia Auto Hub, for having me here.